Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming device model and Android version so you know which fixes apply. This avoids wasted steps. Next, power cycle the TV by unplugging for 30 seconds and reconnecting. This clears transient faults. Once done, verify HDMI cables, the adapter output, remote batteries, and that the network indicator lights up. These hardware checks explain many failures and guide which diagnostic path you take next. You now isolate software versus hardware problems by booting into safe mode or recovery. Safe mode disables third-party apps so you can see if the core system is stable. If the TV boots fine there, clear cache partitions and uninstall any recent apps that triggered the issue. Make sure to back up preferences and accounts before proceeding. If problems persist, perform a factory reset to restore system integrity, while understanding this erases local data. Finish by reinstalling essential apps and immediately updating the system firmware to patch known bugs. You want a minimal, updated environment. Then test streaming apps, HDMI inputs, and network stability for at least 15 to 30 minutes to confirm reliability. If the issue returns, capture error messages, note frequency and conditions, and collect log timestamps. This information speeds repair or warranty service when you contact support, and it helps identify intermittent hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.